Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 14th. The Zen story for today is titled The Master Who Laughed Too Loud. By late afternoon, the sun had pressed its weight into the backs of their necks, and the dust clung to their tongues like regret. Even the monkey stopped talking mostly. Water, it whizzed. Liquid enlightenment. We need it. They spotted a stone hut by the edge of a hill, smoke rising in lazy loops. Outside sat an old man in layered robes, his face half hidden beneath a tilted straw hat. The monk bowed. "Excuse me, master, is there water nearby?" The man looked up, then burst into laughter. Ha ha ha! Loud, unapologetic. It echoed down the hill and startled a nearby goat into running sideways. The monk waited. The monkey blinked. "Excuse me," the monk tried again. "We've been walking alone." "Ha ha ha," the man roared again, slapping his knee with a hand that seemed to have forgotten time. A monkey stared, then mimicked him. "Ha ha ha," it squawked, doubling over dramatically. "Look, I'm enlightened now." The old master said nothing more, just kept laughing, slowly, until it faded into a wheeze and then a hum, and then silence. They left without water. That night, lying on the earth, throat dry and limbs aching, the monk watched the stars. One blinked in a pattern that reminded him of the goat's sideways sprint, and for no reason at all, a giggle escaped him. Not a big one, just enough. The monkey peeked over. "What's funny?" The monk didn't answer. Take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When was the last time you let yourself laugh without knowing why? And what did it loosen in you? When was the last time you let yourself laugh without knowing why? And what did it loosen in you? Now bring your hands to your heart and, as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When was the last time you let yourself laugh without knowing why? And what did it loosen in you? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.